If you're trying to keep up with the Joneses, there's a new way to do that. Or completely blast past them, really. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan, starting at $325,000 in the US, though come on, options will be added. It's for the buyer that wants to go anywhere in sumptuous luxury. Anywhere. This is just a preview with video provided by Rolls-Royce. Cullinan rides on the same all-aluminum architecture of luxury as the new Phantom. What's it named after?
Cullinan is, you might know that, the biggest found rough diamond ever, over 100 years ago, and that diamond now sits in the crown jewels of the UK. And we found it is a very suitable name for our car, being, let's say, even a kind of diamond in the rough.
The folks from Goodwood call it a high-bodied car. Everyone else will call it an SUV or the SUV. Rolls says it isn't a two-box vehicle. There's a small bustle on the back that makes it a three-box affair.
Major market for Cullinan will be our main market, United States, that's for sure. Asia plays quite an important role, in particular China. And of course, not to forget Middle East. But also, I'm pretty sure that we see quite a lot of uptake here in our home market, the UK.
Let's answer the first question. Yes, it will go off-road with little problem. Cullinan's tagline is effortless anywhere.
We took our time, and I think we did a brilliant job finally in a way of mixing up what Rolls-Royce is famous about, and that is magic carpet ride, and combining that with all-terrain capabilities unseen before for the brand Rolls-Royce.
A little over 18 feet long, 7 feet wide, and 6 feet high, its weight is listed at 5,864 pounds. Moving all of that is a twin-turbo 6.75-liter 12-cylinder with 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. There's all-wheel drive and all-wheel steering. Cullinan is the first Rolls-Royce with fold-down rear seats and a tailgate, which the company calls the Clasp. And if you want to watch your kids' polo match, this is even better than the Honda Odyssey's Magic Seat, I have to believe. Now, don't think Rolls needs an SUV, high-bodied car. Apparently owners do.
The reason behind adding Cullinan to our range is very much customer-driven. And number one, you need to understand that our segment, the ultra high net worth individuals, are getting younger and younger, and they are also catering for a complete different lifestyle, more relaxed, more easygoing, more casual, more outdoor, using cars for all kind of purposes.
I wish I were in that segment. And for you wealthy Canadians?
Canada in particular was a market which has seen rising Rolls-Royce sales over the last years, but I think in particular now with Cullinan to come, this is the perfect car for Canada.
Imagine rolling through Tim Hortons in this. As expected, the interior is pure Rolls-Royce. If you hike down to your local dealership and choose your bespoke vehicle, the good people at Goodwood say delivery will commence in the beginning of 2019. And call me if you plan on doing this with yours, okay? That's Driven. I'm Tom Voelk.